Someone once asked me, what do I love? When did I fall in love with nursing? And I think the gift is I have fallen in love with nursing time and time again over the past 40 years. Nursing, it's an amazing profession. We'll never really understand the impact or the imprint that we leave on others, but we certainly know the imprint that our patients and families have left upon us. I'm really grateful for the commitment, the compassion, the clinical expertise of my nursing team here. They're committed to each other, they're committed to their patients, they're committed to our families. They're the fabric that is woven into every aspect of Blightdale and keeps us strong. It's a unique place, it's an amazing place to work. And I think being a Blightdale nurse, you every day have the ability to practice in a compassionate, supportive, clinically profound environment. So I just want to take this opportunity to say Happy Nurses Week to all of you. Celebrate the joy of our profession, the contribution and the gift that you are to it. Celebrate you and your journey on what I consider the best profession in the world. Happy Nurses Week. Very, very, very grateful to each and every one of you.